Today we're gonna build a race car, but first we have to put it together. Look at all these pieces. Wow, let's count them. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you're doing good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's a lot of pieces. Let's see if we can figure this out. I'm gonna start with the numbers right here, and I'll put the other number on the other side. And these look like they go around the wheels. So we'll put them around the wheels. I think we have a lot of them. We got 4. Okay, put that right there. This looks like the front. Put that there. That's definitely the back. And we'll go right there. We'll put the other one right there. We got a lot of black pieces here. We'll put them in there. That right there. Now let's get the hood on. So that'll go in the front. And we'll put this right there. Put the spoiler on the back and the air intake on the front. And then this could be a siren on top. Or it could go inside and it could be a person going really fast. Thanks for watching this time. Next time, we'll have to build something else.
Construction with Kyle. Hey!